hands on the money. Yup. Feet ready. There you go. 1. Yup. Hands ready. Let's go. Touch and go. Touch and go. 2. Good. Touch and go. Boom. Touch and go. Good. Ready to shoot. Get up. 3. That's a good shot. 2. Hands ready. Hands. Yup. Knock it down. 3. Hold it. Hold it. Next play. 3. Hold it. Good shot. Yup. 2 minutes. Hands. Yup. Ball. Touch and go. Ready to shoot the shot. I take 4. That's 1. Hands. Ready to shoot. Get ready. Good shot. Okay. Hands up. Knock it down right there. Good. Now hold it on. Hold it on. Hold it on. There you go. Hold it up. Hold it up. Here we go. All coming to you. Knock it down. Oh! Good. It's on the money. Let's go one right here. Let's go one right there. 3. Come on. Hands. Knock it down. You got 4. Last night. Hands up. Knock it down. You got it. Shot. All good. 1. Good. 1. All right, go. Good. Knock it down. 3. Yup. Turn. All good. Make it. 2. Good. Go. 2 more. All right, 2 more. Good. All right, go. Yup. Yup. Good. So, get away. Good. 3. 1 more. Yup. 1 more. That's 1. All right. All right. Good. Yup. All over. Yup. Turn. Get away. It's off. Shot. Like I said, rule. All tight. Almost. Then stop. Go. Next. Space. Up. Here. Space. This way. And this way. Alright. See that black bag on the floor, okay? Go. Alright, go. All tight. Open up. Lock back. Lean turn. Yes.